Hey beauties, it's Shaq and I want to talk to you about Project Influencer. We are so excited because it's Project Influencer again. If you're new to Ofra, Project Influencer is something that we do once a year where we pick your favorite influencers and create bundles with them with 16 products in our line. This year, we picked 4 amazing creators that we know you love. Come with me as I show you the bundles that GLAMWITHSUZAN, Ali Dawson, Hot Mess Mama of 4, and JESSICADADLANI created just for you. Let's start things up right with skincare. JESSICADADLANI created the perfect skincare bundle for everyone. This skincare bundle has some of the best skincare products that we make. Starting off with a fan favorite, this is our foaming vitamin C cleanser. Next, we have the beautifying eye lotion. This is great for depuffing and de-stressing your eyes. Our amazing brightening mask. My personal favorite, the collagen serum. You cannot leave out the love for the eyes and lips. This is our Biotech Eye and Lip Cream. And last but definitely not least, our peptide moisturizer, perfect for all skin types. Next up is Ali Dawson. For her collab, she created a beautiful palette and added an amazing highlighter. Let me show you. The beautiful palette consists of beautiful eyeshadows that you can use on the face, on the eyes, and anywhere that you like. Don't leave out the amazing All of the Light highlighters. You guys can also use this for the eyes and the face to create all the looks that you like. Next, Hot Mess Mama of 4. The face palette consists of eyeshadows, blushes, and highlighters, perfect for using on the face and on the eyes. You also get the beautiful lipstick LOML and the truffle lip gloss. I'm actually wearing the entire bundle right now. And last but not least is GLAMWITHSUZAN. The blush palette comes with 6 beautiful colors that can be used in the face and the eyes, and they're perfect for every skin tone. Perfect for a pop-up color and to add dimension to the face. If you're a fan of GLAMWITHSUZAN, you know that doing lip combos is her thing. So of course, she chose 4 beautiful liquid lipsticks. She chose the colors Arctic, Atlantic City, Bronx, and Brooklyn. With so many good bundles, which one will you pick? I mean, why even pick, right? Just take them all. I can personally say that I love each and every one of these bundles because they're so perfect to use every day. These bundles are available on our website right now. And of course, don't forget to use your favorite creator's code to get an extra discount at checkout. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye beauties!